Hello and welcome to another Elder Wave analysis. Today I want to talk about the Bitcoin, right? So this is really just an update on my short idea from 22nd March when I mentioned that Bitcoin has peaked and he has reached in the five-way structure. So the five-way structure is already completed. Okay, so if I zoom out just to refresh, this is how I plotted the five wave, and I haven't changed this five wave yet. So now let's zoom in a bit more and see how it has played out since the 22nd of March, right? So firstly, I call for a shot, but given how this wave has played out, it seems to be more of a leading diagonal, right? It's not really a very good short idea because there's too many whipsaws happening over here, right? So after updating these wave counts even on the on the individual waves itself, right? Some of the relationship that I can point out over here. Firstly, if you look at the this black line, right? This is the dynamic wave count, right? There's a few relationship over here where wave one, the length of wave one is equal to the length of wave three, and wave five is 0.786 of wave one. Then if we look at wave five itself, right? Now that I zoom in this green line, right, may not be so obvious, but price wise, wave one is equal to wave three, and wave 5 is 0.786 of wave 1. So you can see the fractals relationship over here between uh, the, the wave of the higher degree and the wave of lower degree. Okay, and what we are really more interested right now will be on this move up, right? What will happen? Okay, firstly, just to mention that this wave up has proceeded with a five wave. And if we look into this five wave itself, okay, the first wave is actually one, two, three, four, five, right? So and then we have a two, which is quite shallow, three, four, and five. Right, I want to point out certain Fibonacci relationship over here also. So from wave one, if we look at the green Fibonacci, you can see that the entire length of this wave structure, this entire five wave, right, is actually 2.618 of wave one. And using this wave one itself, right, and we look at the wave three, is around 1.618 of wave one. And over here, well, there's a it misses by a bit on the 0.786. So for Bitcoin, it's quite interesting itself that wave five usually, at least for this crack, this whole structure wise, wave five seems to be 0.786 of wave one. Right? It's just an interesting observation over here. Okay, so what to expect, right? We see as this wave is playing out, right? This corrective wave is playing out. It has actually reached uh, a target for correction, right? The minimum correction, which is the end of the previous wave four. Okay, so just right, it sits over here. So for ended wave theory, right? Mainly, if you see a five wave, we will expect a corrective wave down, and then we will actually expect another wave up, right? So this is actually a minor wave, right? It's not even intermediate, which I use the blue line to draw, right? So I would expect this to be A, B, and C. How far will B goes? I do not know. Um, for my many years using Elliott Wave, I've kind of given up on trying to project a correction on where correction will go because their corrective wave are just so erratic. I just cannot project it reliably, right? So until uh, B wave has completed or proven has its completion, how we prove its completion is when it moved past the this point, which is 65547 around here, right? So where will this go? I can't be sure. I can only say that it has reached the target, right? But I do expect a down and up, right? So this up can also be anywhere. But usually I will just project from end of B 1:1. Okay, so wave A equals to wave C. But right now, it's not so clear for me. Okay. Um. So that is it for Bitcoin. Good luck in trading.